Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Raydium Technologies. If you're a Solana token holder or developer, you've likely encountered the terms CPMM and AMM. But what do they mean, and how do they impact your token's liquidity and trading performance? In this video, we'll break down the core differences between Raydium's CPMM, Constant Product Market Maker, and AMM, Automated Market Maker models, helping you decide which strategy is the best volume booster for your Solana token. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about AMMs, or Automated Market Makers. AMMs are the backbone of decentralized trading platforms like Raydium. Instead of using a traditional order book, AMMs rely on liquidity pools powered by smart contracts. Here's how it works. Users deposit token pairs into a pool. When someone wants to trade, the AMM algorithm calculates the price based on the ratio of the tokens in the pool. This approach enables fast and seamless swaps, even without active buyers or sellers on the other side of a trade. Raydium's AMM model has been a game changer for decentralized exchanges by increasing efficiency and accessibility. Now, let's look at CPMM, or Constant Product Market Maker. CPMM is a specific type of AMM that uses the constant product formula, X times Y equals K. Here's the breakdown. X represents the quantity of one token in the pool. Y represents the quantity of the other token. K is a constant value. This formula ensures liquidity remains available at all price levels, but with a trade-off. As you approach the extremes of the pool's reserves, slippage increases significantly. CPMM is ideal for smaller pools or tokens with less predictable trading volumes, but it may not suit every situation. Here's how Raydium's CPMM differs from its broader AMM approach. 1. Liquidity Management. CPMM focuses on smaller, more specific liquidity pools suitable for newer tokens. AMM works best for large, high-volume pools with diverse trading needs. 2. Trade Efficiency. CPMM. High slippage in low-volume pools but efficient for targeted liquidity boosting. AMM. Lower slippage in larger pools, ideal for high-frequency trading. 3. Use cases. CPMM. Great for kickstarting liquidity for new projects. AMM. Perfect for sustaining long-term liquidity for established tokens. How do you decide which model to choose for your Solana token? Here are the key factors to consider. 1. Token maturity. If your token is new and you're bootstrapping liquidity, CPMM might be the way to go. 2. Trading goals. If your focus is on high-frequency trading and large-volume swaps, AMM is a better fit. 3. Community activity. Tokens with an active trading community can benefit more from AMM's flexibility. Pro tip: you don't have to pick just one. Many projects start with CPMM to build momentum and then transition to an AMM model as the token gains traction. Let's recap the benefits and drawbacks. CPMM. Easy to set up. Ideal for low liquidity tokens, but high slippage in low volume trades. AMM. Supports large volumes, better for established ecosystems, but requires more substantial initial liquidity to function optimally. Both models are powerful tools, but their effectiveness depends on your token's unique needs and trading environment. Here are some expert tips to maximize your token's performance, regardless of the model you choose. 1. Incentivize liquidity providers. Offer rewards like governance tokens or staking bonuses to attract liquidity. 2. Monitor pool performance. Regularly review slippage and trade volume metrics to identify areas for improvement. 3. Leverage Raydium's ecosystem. Use additional features like yield farming and fusion pools to complement your liquidity strategy. Thank you for watching the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Raydium Technologies. Whether you're considering CPMM or AMM for your Solana token, both models offer unique advantages to boost volume and liquidity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into DeFi strategies and tools. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy trading.